Discount Diva here. I have been away for a few days. It's my hubby's birthday, so we decided to come out here to Philly. Mind my hair and the no makeup. We were just in the pool splashing away. And we came back from the zoo. We went to the Philadelphia Zoo. We came from Friday. So I wanted to make a little haul, only because we did need to stop at my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, because I needed a few little items for our little weekend getaway. So I will link down below if you guys inquire about which Dollar Tree it was. I am gonna add clips of Philly and me entering the Dollar Tree. I don't recall what the name was, but it was a quite big Dollar Tree, decent. I was very shocked to see a lot of items that I have not been able to find. I've seen the hauls from you guys, but I personally have not been successful in finding these items. So I was able to find them this weekend. So I want to show you what I found. And of course, they're all makeup, with the exception of a few things that were something that I needed to pick up for my my little one's birthday that I want to start planning. So I will dive right in, and I wanted to show you that I was able to pick up more of these Toy Story 4 bags, and this is a little different. The design is a little different. It says playtime, so I picked up 2 of these. In the neon green, and then with all the characters that say playtime. I picked up 1 of these bags, which I thought was awesome. And I couldn't resist. My girls, my hubby and I were big Disney fans, so I couldn't resist. This was the Disney Aladdin bag, the tote bag. It's in a navy, and it says ready for adventure, and it has Jasmine, Aladdin, and the animals with the genie and the lamp. So that was wonderful. And then in the entrance by where they had the scrunchy hair accessories, they had these. And I thought this was a nice little coin bag with the blue. And it has like the little diamond design. And it's a keychain wallet. So you can put your ID in here, right? And then you can put your money. And this screams replication of Vera Bradley, like the knitted style. This is like her style right here, except you don't have to pay the top dollar. You're paying $1. They had flowers, but I personally liked this design for myself. So this is a neat little thing. If you don't want to take your bag, you don't want to even take a messenger bag, you just pop your ID in here with a few cards or some cash, money, and boop boop. You could even put it on your keychain if you wanted to, and just put it in your pocket. It's small enough to fit in the pocket too, and you're ready to go. So this is definitely a replication of Vera Bradley, but you're not paying the top dollar, you're paying $1. So I also picked up this Old Williamsburg cookies and cream gelato candle. Could not resist, guys. Smells so good, nice and strong too. Just reminds me of cookies and cream. I just want to eat it up. And it's a 1 wick, and it's an Old Williamsburg candle. So I picked one of these up. And I was in complete shock and awe, guys. the Ardell. Whoa. These bad boys are like $6 to $8 a pair. So they had the 160. Love these. I spoke to my husband and I'm like, before we go back, I have to stop and get some more of these, because these are a nice little deal. So these are the Ardells. I picked up the style 160 and I also picked up 105. And I'm definitely going to go back and get some more. And it says it's 100% human hair. So pick myself up a pair of these. Going back to get them before we leave. And then I found the hard candy makeup. Boop, 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 boop. I cannot believe I found it. They have these at Walmart. And these were at the Dollar Tree. Well, not the ones by me, but the one over here I was able to pick up. So this one is called Breakup. And it's like a light gold with green specks. You see that? Beautiful. And it's a baked eyeshadow, a duo. Then I picked up, this color to me is absolutely gorgeous. Asteroid. You see that? It's blue and sparkly. How cute is this? $1. Then I picked up World Peace. And this is a single. But look at how it has like the ombre, different types of color. You could do a lot with this. It's a sky blue with green and navy. And it actually looks like the world. You see that? World Peace. Gorgeous. And then I love these low-rise jeans. Look at that. Look at those colors. The pink with the purple and the blue. And this is by Hard Candy. And at your Dollar Tree. Can't believe it. I can't believe it, guys. Like, these items I've been watching. I've been seeing you guys haul them. And I'm like, my Dollar Tree doesn't have those. No. We have not gotten the hard candies. We have not gotten the Ardell. I mean, with the candle, maybe I probably would have been able to find this, but no. So I was very happy to see that. And then I found this Tropical Coconut Lip Balm by RVO. And this is good for the beach, you know, wherever you go, you just moisturizing your lips. And it's vitamin E and aloe. It's Rivo Lip Revolution, and I'm about to try this one on. But guys, I can't believe I found those lashes. I've been searching and searching and searching. And searching some more. But who would have thought? Who would have thought that Philadelphia's Dollar Tree has different things? So I'm definitely hitting it up again before we go back home. I'm going to pick me up some more of the lashes. And I did see this Trolley sweet and sour gummy bag. It was like this big in the front, and it was like red, white, and blue. I think I'm gonna go and pick it up because it was a big bag. And those things kind of retail for about $3 to $4. So sorry guys, I'm like super excited. Those lashes and that makeup. And of course the little wallet pouch replica of Rhea Bradley. Love it. All right, I'm about to try this on. Ooh, so it's clear. Oh, that smells nice. That smells like a nice coconut sugary. Oh, wow. That feels Okay, honestly, guys, it feels good, but okay, it felt like a little stiff, like it had, you know how like you leave something out and it kind of like waxy and it stays like hot. Like let's say you left a crayon in your car and it melted, like it kind of felt like it had been melted, like left out or something. But as you're putting it on your lips, it starts to just feel moisturizing. So, all right, not bad, not bad. And the smell is great. Has a tropical smell. Feels a little, I don't know if this is supposed to feel a little tingly. I don't know. So I'm questioning this right now. I don't see anything in the back. Okay, it says expiration May of 2022. So it's definitely not expired, because sometimes you gotta watch out for these products at the Dollar Tree. They do expire, and sometimes you're like, wait a minute. So, all right. I love the smell. It's very tropical, coconutty. Love it. The feel of it at first when I put it on my lips was a little question mark. Felt a little waxy, but okay. I'm gonna see how it feels, you know. Putting that to the side. Super excited about what I found, which was, as you guys seen, the Ardell lashes, the hard candy makeup, and I'm so happy that I found that. I will be returning again tomorrow when we check out and leave. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy the clips that I'm gonna add with the video. And till next time, guys, please subscribe, and thank you for liking my video. And until next time, Discount Diva.